mom found somebody to buy it.
Oh, yeah?
But they get... It's fine. I might go do nothing. I should have got some videos of the food. Got this bubble tea right here. I thought they were all gone. I thought this was ice and stuff. I don't know. I thought it was like foam, but it's bubbles. Hey, so hopefully this weekend I need to check on my lights.
How do you need to put that back together?
My nose is like stuff right here.
You ready?
Yeah, baby.
You need to put that back together.
Yeah.
I don't want that thing on my knees.
Yeah, so she got a panel that's on the knees. I don't know how it came down, but the tabs on it broke, so I gotta fix it back up or whatever. Something small. It was annoying to me at first, but I got used to it when it was down last time before I actually put it up, but somehow it came back down, so I gotta figure that out again. Up on they behind. Dang, baby, chill. Try to whip the car like me, I see. She try to whip the car like me. But it feel good like being in the passenger seat. Like I usually always be in the driver's seat. I don't usually like let folks drive me around like that.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
I ain't gonna get copyrighted.
I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one ugly, and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even love. Did you ever want me? Was I ever? He doesn't see you. You're not making money.
Anyway, I had to mute these clips because, man, she was jamming. But nice, sweet, late night ride. Had got some good food from this one particular spot I always wanted to go to. And I told her earlier, because I wasn't feeling too well, I said, hey, man, I need to get some soup or something. And mind you, I was never thinking about this place. And then next thing you know, she said, oh, I'm going to take you here and all. So she took me here. And shoot, we ate good and stuff, and we're going to have to return again. Also, fun fact, this used to be her car, but I bought it from her dad and stuff. Like I said, this car was sitting in the yard, so I made use of it.
You scared me right there. Jerking the car. She was jerking the car all hard and stuff. Like, wait. Yeah. Ooh, man, chill. They probably looking at, they were like, what the hell? She said she don't care.